Today I'm going to cook Mongolian beef. First, prepare 550 grams of beef. And we will slice this beef. Like this. We will mature beef first with cooking wine, 2 spoons of and little pepper, and half of teaspoon of sugar, and just a little salt. We will mature beef 10 minutes. We are going to make seasoning. First, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of cooking wine and 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of sugar, and 1 spoon of sesame oil. Last, 1 spoon of garlic. You can use spring onion or leeks or chives, whatever you want, it's okay. Today, put spring onion, little bigger. For the fried beef, we need starch powder. So whatever you want, you can use cucumber or corn or sticky rice. This time I'm using sticky rice. 4 spoons of powder. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all we need today. Very simple. And without water. And we'll mix this with this meat, beef and flour. This is the easy way to mix. If you didn't try, maybe you can try this time.